All right, I have another 3-minute video on how to remove the rear bumper. Here's how to remove the exhaust. Step one, you're gonna have these rubberized exhaust hangers that connect here to here. This is a brand new E-Ray, so it just slides right off. If not, put a little bit of WD-40 if it's hard, but this shouldn't be terribly difficult to get these out. You've got the front here, active valves, see them right here. These are just a little slide clip. And then you just push the connector. So click, push, and then it comes out. Same thing on the active valves. The active valve one on the passenger side is easier to get to. You can see the connector's already out. The other one's not that hard. It's just on the back side of that valve. But just slide and click, push out. Get your 13 millimeter socket. And then there are 2 bolts that connect up into the frame here from this guy, and the same over here. I got my little seat here to hold this. The muffler's heavy, be careful, use somebody to take this off. But after this, all I do is have the 2 bolts on the driver's side and 3 on the passenger side. Best to go out those with the really long swivel extension and kind of get up there. I'm gonna drop this muffler down a little bit, but 3 bolts, 2 bolts, and then this thing will drop right out.